Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope you are doing great at various aspects of your lives. Welcome to another book review podcast by Team Thinker Views. Surendra Mohan Pathak, also mentioned as Surendra Mohan Pathak at places, is a name in Hindi books arena that doesn't need any formal introduction. He wrote more than 300 books, and it is not wrong to say that if you love reading Hindi thriller fictions, you must have read at least one of the books by this popular author. He is loved by the readers and writers both. In fact, he inspired a generation or more than one of the authors. Recently, when we were connected to Dr. Ashutosh Chogia for his book, The Girl with Golden Thoughts, he reaffirmed this fact. He, in fact, mentioned this stuff in his book as well. Let us discuss about a book named Vishwas Ki Hatya, that is, Killing of Vishwas, by Mr. Pathak. The author has viewed a nice analogy in the book where Vishwas also stands for trust or faith, and the killing of Vishwas is also elaborated as the killing of or breaching the trust or faith. A book cover plays a very important role in making the first impression of the book it is associated with, and thus it is responsible for many purchase and or read decisions for sure. As you can see in the podcast cover, the cover page of this reprint edition of Vishwas Ki Hatya is moderately good. A group of people, illustration of the people actually, on the cover page represents the prime characters of the book. A focused telescope of a gun represents a killing. The background colors are attractive. Rather than making it too fancy, the designer tried to give it a balanced look. Overall, it will remind you of old book covers with modernity infused. For digital edition, the cover page is not balanced. Now let us take a bird's eye view of the book plot. As we know, money is at the root of majority of the crimes. And things are not different here. Two friends, when running out of money, decided to earn it via a shortcut. What could have been a better option than try and looting a single or elderly person in the posh area? If the target is a lady, possibly the things could have been even easier, they thought. And there comes a plan. During a dark night, at the time when no one is around, they scaled a building. As per their information, it was the best time to break the house by entering from the balcony. If everything goes according to their plan, they will grab a good amount of jewelry and fly from the place unscathed. Of course, they need to wait for a few days to encash it, and they will not get the market rate. But who cares? Whatever comes for free is a profit, and they expect a huge sum of money here. The main question here is, will the things happen according to their plan? Well, you need to read this story to know the answers. Now, let me share my views about this book. The good thing about this crime thriller is it doesn't glorify crime. The prime characters do a crime, and of course, it cannot be justified in any way due to their financial situation. And it started a chain reaction of unwanted events. The author reaffirms through this book that crime never pays. If you do something wrong, the consequences would be there. I read the Kindle edition of this book. The book is reprinted by Westland Books. It is actually a good thing that the books by popular authors from Hindi crime thriller genre, including those of Mr. Pathak, are being reprinted and even are available as e-books. I wish more attention is paid towards proofreading and formatting though. Here is an example. उस लाल रुमाल वाले का सूरज के पीछे लगा होना साबित करता था कि वह जरूर दारा आदमी था. It, however, doesn't affect the reading experience for a regular reader. The preface of the book talks about Mr. Pathak and his journey as well. Those who read books by Mr. Pathak must have already been aware with many things associated with him. For those who are reading Mr. Pathak for the first time, or may have read just 4 or 5 books only written by him, this segment is quite enriching. It talks about 57 Saal Purana Admi, which was published in Manohar Kahaniyan. Then it talks about Purane Gunah, Naye Gunehgar, Neelam Jasoos. Well, I will let you read it in the book itself because it is a long list. Being Mr. Pathak's book, Vishwas Ki Hatya, definitely has a lot of stuff that we can talk about and share. I, however, tried to restrict myself to not to reveal any spoilers, at least as far as possible. Strong characters is one of the strengths of this book. In this book, you meet Mohini, Suraj, Dara, Damodar, Jagdeep, Daisy, and others. Most of them look realistic. Some incidents explored in the book will remind you of old time explored in some old movies. Mr. Pathak is good at writing interesting line. Here is an example from the book. उसके साथियों को तब तक वहां पहुंच जाना चाहिए था, लेकिन उनके ना पहुंचा होने से उसे कोई शिकायत नहीं थी। इंतजार का रिश्ता वक्त की बर्बादी से होता था और वक्त की उन दिनों उसे कोई कमी नहीं थी। The way one of the prime characters in the book, driven by his greed, tried something he should not and lost his job, is explored in this book quite nicely. Here is a line in the same regards that explores it in matter-of-factly manner and yet indirectly warns the reader to not to do such mistakes. Passing such messages is one of the strong points of this book. निहायत मामूली व्यक्ति लालच में पड़कर वह अपनी लगी लगाई नौकरी से हाथ धो बैठा था। In the same regards, simple sentences are used to convey advices. लेकिन खतरे का हल होता है सावधानी। सावधानी बरती जाए तो कैसे भी खतरे को टाला जा सकता है। Here is one of the most interesting lines from the book that I liked. 1000 वोट का बल्ब फौरन फ्यूज हो गया, लेकिन ट्यूबलाइट की रोशनी सूरज के चेहरे पर फिर भी बाकी थी। Here is how the feelings of a majority of characters in the book is mentioned. उसने अपने दोस्तों के विश्वास की हत्या की थी। The author is good at exploring scenes and convey emotions at the same time. Here is a couple of sentences from the book in the same regards. अब जगदीप भयभीत नहीं था। रिवॉल्वर हाथ में आते ही जैसे उसमें शक्ति का संचार हो गया था। उसने रिवॉल्वर कभी चलाई नहीं थी, लेकिन इतना वो खूब जानता था कि नाल का रुख दुश्मन की तरफ करके बस सिर्फ घोड़ा खींचना होता था, बाकी काम अपने आप ही हो जाता था। जगदीप के हाथ में रिवॉल्वर देखकर उसका दिल उसके जूतों में उतरा जा रहा था। द बुक इज सम फिलोसॉफिकल लाइंस टू। किसी ने ठीक ही कहा था कि इंसान की जात संकट की घड़ी में दुश्वारी के आलम में ही सामने आती है। Here is one more interesting analogy from the book. रिश्वत ऐसी खूबसूरत खिड़की में से बाहर झांक रही है कि वह चाह रहा है कि and it continues. Various scenes in the book are elaborated quite nicely. Be it hiding of a character in the roof of a home and police coming for him there, or a character killing someone when trying to save his girlfriend from being raped and caught by the police. They are thrilling and emotional at the same time. We have bought the book during a promotional offer and thus it proves to be a value for money for us. I recommend you to watch out for an offer while looking for it. In summary, the book has all the masala you would like to explore for entertainment purpose. Of course, the incidents are set up in old time, but you will not mind it as it doesn't affect the reading experience. If you are a lover of Mr. Pathak's books, You will surely enjoy it. Thinkerview's rating would be around 7 stars out of 10. So, have you already read the book? Are you planning to read it? What do you think about this book review? Do you find it helpful in deciding whether to go for the book or not? Please do share your genuine remarks via comments below. If you have enjoyed listening to the review, please hit the like button and do not forget to share it with your friends and other fellows whom you think such reviews interest more. Till we meet with our next podcast, bye bye, take care, namaskar.